A fuel delivery system has fuel tank, fuel pump, fuel filter, fuel delivery pipe, fuel injectors, fuel pressure regulator and fuel return line. It is important to have clean fuel delivery system. Cleaner system gives better fuel efficiency which translate into more power, resulting in overall better fuel economy. For clean fuel delivery system, it is most important to use good quality fuel to reduce gum and varnish buildup. Oxidation occurs as fuel react to oxygen from the surrounding air, progressively forming gum and varnish in fuel systems. This causes varnish and gum to clog fuel lines. Another example is sticky deposits in fuel injectors. These deposits affect fuel delivery efficiency and vehicle run with poor fuel economy until these deposits are removed. This certainly reduces power and poor car performance. We can restore fuel efficiency by cleaning fuel injectors. This restores proper fuel delivery and improves performance. Cleaning fuel intake valves restores proper airflow. Cleaning fuel combustion chamber reduces compression and the risk of deterioration. Better fuel economy means reduced fuel expenses. Current range of branded injector cleaners is toxic volatile solvent. It is harmful to lungs and eyes, carcinogenic, cancer-causing, strong solvent, harmful to skin, flammable and dangerous to human and environment. You just need to read the labels behind the bottles. Introducing KM Plus Advanced Multifunction Injector Cleaner. It is specially formulated to reduce gum and deposits from fuel delivery system. KM Plus effectively cleans fuel injectors, intake valves and combustion chambers. KM Plus lubricates and protects fuel pump, injectors and intake valves while cleaning. It restores fuel efficiency with deep cleansing ability. KM Plus Advanced Multifunction Injector Cleaner is eco-friendly 100% formulated from plant esters. Non-volatile, non-toxic, non-corrosive and biodegradable. It is REACH compliant. The only solution that lubricates and protects fuel delivery system while cleaning. Let's look at an example. This is a Toyota Hilux diesel 2.5 turbo. Before adding KM Plus it gives out a lot of black smoke. Then we add KM Plus Multifunction Injector Cleaner. For effective cleansing 1 bottle to 15 to 20 liters of fuel. After cleansing, the black smoke reduced significantly. Let us compare the effect of KM Plus Advanced Multifunction Injector Cleansing on the Toyota Hilux. Before, the mileage was 6.67 km per liter of fuel. After cleansing, the mileage improved to 10 km per liter of fuel. Before, the truck had no power. But after cleansing, the truck was very responsive to the driver. Before, there was excessive black smoke emission. After cleansing, there was low level of smoke. KM Plus gives effective result within 10 minutes. After cleaning, you will experience marked improvement in engine performance, reduced fuel consumption, reduction in carbon deposit which then prolong engine lifespan. Advantages of KM Plus Advanced Multifunction Injector Cleaner over other fuel injector cleaners. For customer, cleans fuel delivery system better, lubricates fuel injectors while cleaning, protects injectors, valves while cleaning. For mechanic, it is non-volatile therefore does not harm lungs or eyes. It is non-corrosive, not harmful to skin. And for the environment, KM Plus reduces smoke and toxic emission.